Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Photostudy live study help app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Photostudy is a study help app designed to connect students with real tutors for instant homework assistance. Originally created as a photo-based solver for math problems, Photostudy has expanded into a full live tutoring platform covering subjects like math, chemistry, physics, and biology. Students can snap a picture of a question and get step-by-step explanations from verified tutors. It's available on both iOS and Android and works with a credit-based help system for quick sessions. The app's main feature is its photo-to-solution system. You take a clear picture of a question, and a tutor responds with detailed guidance. Students can also request live chat sessions, review past explanations, and learn multiple methods for solving the same problem. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick response time, accurate solutions, and helpful tutors who explain concepts instead of just giving answers. The app is especially useful for last-minute homework help, exam preparation, and understanding difficult chapters. Its step-by-step breakdowns make it easier for students to learn rather than memorize. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version is extremely limited, and most help sessions require purchasing credits. Some users also mention delays during peak hours, as well as varying explanation quality depending on the tutor. In addition, the app relies heavily on clear photos. Blurry or handwritten questions may not be recognized properly. In summary, the Photostudy app may be worth using if you want fast homework help, detailed explanations, and access to live tutors across multiple subjects. However, if you prefer long tutoring sessions or want fully free study support, the credit-based system might not be ideal for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.